Alright, so I went out and I bought Mabosstiff box. I already opened this. And so what I'm going to do is I already opened this up, and I already opened the packs. I ended up getting one Paradox Rift, one Scarlet and Violet base, one Obsidian Flames, and make that 2 Paradox Rifts. So all Scarlet and Violet, one base, one Obsidian Flames, and 2 Rifts. And of course, in the box comes this big card. I find these cards awesome, beautiful, hilarious, all at the same time. Yeah, I like them. I genuinely do. Okay, let's see here. Of course, there's this guy that comes in the box. There's a code card there behind that. Sorry, you guys ain't getting that just yet. And there is the Mabosstiff EX. Yes, nice cards. I like those. Okay, plastic we'll put over here for recycling later. Cardboard recycling here behind me. Okay, so we'll start with the base set, and okay, bring out the dogs. And Grievard. Grievard's a dog too, ain't he? More dogs. Doggy dog. Pawnard. Everybody loves Wiglet. No, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, Heracross. Ooh, I like this guy. Crocodile. All laxed out, chilling in the yeah, leaned up against the palm tree. I like that guy. 170 HP. I gotta find out what he does in gameplay. And then we're going into Flamingo. What can I say? I love the beach. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so last card here, basic energy. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, Char Cadet. Not bad. And then we got Cloth. Okay, last card. What do we got? Indeedy. Aww. Oh, that's nice. Okay, what do we got? We got in here the Obsidian Flames. Okay, we're starting out with a Fungus. I like that guy. Into a Pidgey. into a Litwick. Yungoos. Looks like a mongoose or a ferret or something. I guess that's why he's going a Yungoos. Maybe. Stoutland. He's looking like a dog too. Frogadier. Yeah, Froggy. Drumpa. And then we're going into, what do we got? Ooh, Fungus. Nice. We just saw his regular base card in the same pack, isn't it? We got. Ooh. Clodsire. Clodsir. Okay. Last card. Ooh. Mabosstiff EX. Oof. Yes, indeedy. Wow. Moving on. Okay, Paradox Rift. We got 2 packs here of Paradox Rift. Just to keep things up and keep things in track. Lucy. Plusly. Tell me down in the comments. Plusly. Anyways, moving on. Tandem Mouse. They're cute. Toad School. Oh, I love this guy. Oh my god. Toxel. I love it. Orthworm. Not earthworm, orthworm. Going into an Absol. Simisear. The monkeys are going to... Oh, man. Monkeys are having a party, barbecuing everything. Okay. Let's see what we got. Hey. Onyx. Oh. What is that? Oh. Iron Jugulus. Wow. Okay. Woof. Iron Jugulus. And here we go. Last card. Oi. Basic energy there. We got Latios. Okay. Last pack of Paradox Rift. Let's see what we can pull out of this. Again, Plusly. Plusle? I don't know. Tandem Mouse. Old school. I swear this is the exact same pack. Toxel. Okay, well maybe not exact same pack, but pretty darn well. They're all pretty darn close. Oh, I got a trainer card here. I got a Cursed Duster. All right, let's see here. Moving into an Orbeetle. I like that. Ladybugs, yeah, they've always, they're always, you know, I like them. What do we got there? Cloth. And then we're going into a Flamingo. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, what? Oh, anyways, is that Flamingo dabbing? Ooh wee. Okay. Give me a minute. Whismer. Okay, final card. This is basic energy. Ready? Oh, what is that? What do I have? Oh, wait, what? A Hoopa EX. Oof. Wow. Wow. So yeah, this Mabosstiff EX box, not including the ones that came with it, just you know, the bangers that came in the pack. Obviously, we got that Hoopa EX there. We got this Iron Jugulus here. I'll get these all bagged up in a moment. We got the Maradon EX. Wow. So yeah, 3 big hitters out of that 4-pack. Wow, I'm impressed. Plus, I got the Mabosstiff EX that came with it. So, yeah, that's 3 EX cards plus an Iron Jugulus card. The big Mabosstiff EX card, which apparently is playable, but not anyway. I'm just getting into this, folks. I'm still learning. Yeah, not a bad haul. Thanks for tuning in. Click, like, share. Yeah, not bad. 4 packs, 3 hitters. Thank y'all. Take care. See you later.